It turned into a pretty nice day. And the issue going into the weekend is it's going to be colder.
Right.
However, you're getting out of here.
I am getting out of here. I'm going to miss it, but as we all know, there will be plenty of opportunity to make it
Early
up.
next week's not going to be all that different. So you'll just come
It's
back.
gonna be great. I'm gonna experience it.
Yeah, we have officially like turned off the summer vibes. They're gone.
Yeah,
and
long
they're
gone.
not coming back.
Yeah.
I can tell you that much. I mean, maybe we get a random 70-degree day or something like that, but I don't see anything like that in the next 2 weeks. So.
Yeah, I'm still trying to figure out the heater in my apartment because I crank it up and then it gets way too hot and I end up opening windows. And
Yep, that's always a struggle.
it's
I've
a
been there.
mess.
All right, so here's a look at what's coming up. We've got a chance for a shower late tomorrow afternoon and tomorrow evening, mainly in central and southern Maine. But if you've got Friday night plans, just be aware there may be a few raindrops out there. As I mentioned, a cooler weekend, upper 40s north to low 50s south, and then the next storm chance is the middle of next week. Few very light showers out there up north tonight. Most of the rest of the state is dry. Storm system is sitting off to our north and not going to go anywhere over the next few days. So there will be some energy that comes through tomorrow evening that may trigger a shower, and then another disturbance over the weekend that may trigger a shower, but nothing more than that, and it will remain cool over these next few days. We'll start tomorrow morning, temperatures in the 30s for most of us. I think the sunniest part of the day tomorrow will be the morning. So a pretty nice morning, early afternoon, and then clouds will come in from the west. So by evening, we have a few showers in western, southern, and parts of central Maine. Wouldn't be anything heavy, but there may be some raindrops out there with temps around 50 by 6 o'clock tomorrow evening. And these showers tend to move through during the overnight tomorrow night and dry up by Saturday morning, but there will be a few out there for any Friday night plans. Saturday, it's going to be a cooler day. Look at the mountains. At noon on Saturday, it's still 38 in Rangeley. Yeah, that's chilly for the time of year. Only around 50 at the coastline at noon on Saturday with a mix of sunshine and clouds. But Saturday is likely a dry day. I don't see much other than a mountain sprinkle out there on Saturday. Now, Sunday, we've got some sunshine mixing with clouds in the morning. Probably a higher chance for a sprinkle or shower in northern Maine or in the mountains Sunday afternoon. Otherwise, I just think it's partly to mostly cloudy and a cooler day on Sunday with highs in the upper 40s for many of us to only around 50 degrees at the coastline. So going into and through the weekend, the jet stream digs in over us, sending in the cooler air. As we get toward the middle of next week, it's a very complicated pattern. Notice how the jet stream is pretty wavy. That means there's like a traffic jam, and one system will be off the southeast coast, while at the same time it looks like Tropical Storm Melissa will become a major hurricane that's very slow moving. It only moves from where it is now to near Jamaica, possibly as a major hurricane between now and Tuesday. So the steering currents in the atmosphere are going to be kind of complicated next week, which means the Wednesday, Thursday forecast is still uncertain at this point, but rain is possible if the storm comes close enough to us. So tomorrow, chance for an isolated shower in the afternoon to the south. We'll have highs in the 50s. Sun and clouds on Saturday. More clouds on Sunday with highs in the upper 40s to low 50s. And then a cool start to early next week, and we'll just have to see how that coastal storm evolves by Wednesday into Thursday. We need some rain on top of what we've already had this week, so hopefully we get some. But at this point, it's just a tough fall pattern to figure out next week.
And the drought monitor said today we got the rain, but
Yeah, it didn't really register much.
Hey.
I think we need a couple more events to
Yeah.
see more of a dent.
well, hopefully next week we can
Hope
get
so.
that done.
Yeah.